Twice a week, the state updates the number of COVID-19 outbreaks in nursing homes and long-term living centers. The most recent update was Tuesday. The state reported outbreaks at 257 nursing homes. That's up 6 from last Friday. But some people say the state is behind in its reporting. New at 11, CBS 17's Amy Cutler getting answers about Raleigh. Amy.
And Angela, we received a viewer email about Universal Healthcare North Raleigh, the facility just behind us. They tell us that the number of COVID-19 cases they have just doesn't match up with what the state says. I looked into it. A viewer reached out to CBS 17 telling me she works at Universal Healthcare North Raleigh and that the number of COVID-19 cases is larger than what the state is reporting. According to the state's latest data, 5 staff members have the virus, 0 residents. Tell that to Melvin Powell. He says his mother is a resident here and tested positive.
Nobody called us at all, so that's just where we were. We had to find out through a call for something totally different.
Powell tells me his mother wasn't doing well. Last night, they moved her to Wake Med.
I wish they would communicate better when it comes down to that, especially with my mom having COVID.
Powell says she tested positive last week. So what's behind the discrepancy? The state tells me nursing homes are required to report cases to the local health department. Time is required to determine whether a given COVID-19 case is associated with a congregate living setting, gather follow-up information, and enter it into our data system. They couldn't say how long the process takes. I reached out to Choice Health Management Services. They own Universal Healthcare North Raleigh. They write they're following state and federal guidelines. Due to patient privacy laws, we are unable to share any further specific information.
Our plan is not to return her here.
Now, I also reached out to the Wake County Health Department. They tell me they do not release specific case numbers for nursing homes like this one. We are expecting new numbers out from the state regarding nursing homes on Friday. We'll be keeping an eye out for Universal Healthcare North Raleigh. Live in Raleigh, Amy Cutler, CBS 17 News.
All right.